Hello dear friends, and welcome back once again to another video. Today we are going to draw the logo of the American football team Los Angeles Rams. So I'm going to start with pencil, drawing the outline. So it's actually the head of a ram that has been stylized. So this is the horn. This is the face. Okay. And here you have a double line. It is not as complicated as it seems to be. You just have to take care of many lines. Which may initially seem to be confusing, but when you have too many lines that are confusing, just follow one line at a time. Finish that particular line and then take the another one. So that way it will be much easier to draw rather than drawing parallel lines and drawing everything together. That's okay. So and you have one double line here too. See, when you draw curves like this, your hand should be totally free. It should move very freely on the paper. Don't hold it hard. And never try to keep your hand and draw curves like this. Move it smoothly like this. Your hand should move. Okay. Okay, so the drawing is done. I'm just going to darken the lines so that it's more visible. Not all, just a few lines Okay, now I'm going to pair it up with a blue marker pen. Okay, so first I'm going to draw the border line. Later we got to erase all the pencil marks, so practice drawing free lines using your hand. It's a good exercise and a good practice too. Not a perfect curve, but still that's enough. And then this, I'm using a chisel tip pen here because I've got to fill up a lot of blue areas here, so a bullet tip pen will take a lot of time to do that, and the video will become too long. But otherwise, bullet tip pens can draw better curves. You can handle those pens in any angle. I mean, here you have to be very careful with the angle at which you are holding the pen, because varying that you get different thickness. Okay, right. Okay, now I'm going to fill up blue, okay, so I think it is over. Now what remains is erasing all the pencil lines that are visible now. Most of them, they have gone under the ink. Just make sure that the ink has dried up, because otherwise erasing may peel your paper, so you have to be very careful while rubbing after inking, because the paper should be wet and it will bring out all the layers of the paper out. Okay, so I think today the video is done. Yeah, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Please send me your comments.